it's me, Miray from halfcoffeewiththeteacher.com, and today I'm doing a very brief walkthrough of the Virginia Standards of Learning, and I'm taking you specifically to kindergarten math. So without further ado, come follow me. I will minimize myself, and when you go to the blog post that I have on my website titled "Where Do I Begin in Supporting My Child?" in that blog post there's going to be a link to this document that has all the states, all the US states and Canadian provinces listed by their with links to each document of math, language arts, science, and social studies standards. Okay, through their website, through that state's website. So you scroll down to Virginia, and well, I clicked on math, so here it is. And when you get to math, you're gonna find there's always a lot of very long intros. Okay, so you can just scroll through the intros unless you really want to read them, and they're very long and heavy usually. So you can just scroll through until you get to the grade that you want. So today we're looking at kindergarten. So here we are, kindergarten, and it's really, you're going to find that even though this document is 47 pages, the amount of the pages that are covered with the actual meat and potatoes of the standards is not very much. So you'll see kindergarten is actually 2 pages. Here we go. Page 1 and page 2, and then the third page, the next page after that is grade 1. So as we look at kindergarten, you're going to see that there are umbrella standards. So number and number sense, computation and estimation, measurement and geometry, probability and statistics, and patterns, functions, and algebra. So when you start, you're going to see there are small acronyms K.1, K.2, K.3, and those are the names of the specific objectives under each of these umbrella concepts. So just to give you an example, under number and number sense, K.1 is the student will tell how many are in a given set of 20 or fewer objects by counting orally, and B, read, write, and represent numbers from 0 through 20. Okay, so right there it tells you very clearly what they have to be able to do for numbers up to 20. Okay, you can scroll down a little bit and see measurement and geometry, K.7. The student will recognize the attributes of a penny, nickel, dime, and quarter, and identify the number of pennies equivalent to a nickel, a dime, and a quarter. That's it. So they don't need to know how many nickels are in a dime, or how many nickels are in a quarter, or how many dimes are in a quarter. They don't need to know that. Just how many pennies are in each of them. So it really helps you see exactly what they need to know if they were to take the SOLs, the state test at the end of the year, in order to pass the SOLs. Okay. Now, we have no idea if there will be SOLs this year, but again, this is just a helpful baseline to know what is expected of your child. So go ahead, check out the document, and whatever grade level your child in, scroll down to that and read through it, and you're going to find that it's going to give you just a much clearer understanding of where your child's teacher is trying to take them this year, regardless of how many school closures or how long distance learning stays on. So there you go. Thank you for watching. And if you haven't subscribed to my blog, please do so you can get the emails straight to your inbox. Thanks.